English for Kids, my daily routine. Every day, my routine begins at 7 a.m. When my alarm clock rings, I get out of bed, stretch a little, and head straight to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I change into my school uniform and make sure I'm ready for the day ahead. Once I'm dressed, I go to the kitchen where my mom has prepared a healthy breakfast. I usually have something like cereals, toasts, or eggs with a glass of milk. Breakfast gives me the energy I need to start my day right. Lunchtime is another highlight of my day. I sit with my friends in the cafeteria and we eat and chat about all sorts of things. After lunch, we have a short break where we get to play outside. I love playing games like tag or soccer with my classmates. The fresh air and exercise help me stay focused for the rest of the day. After breakfast, I grab my school bag, check that I have everything I need, like my books, notebooks, and lunchbox, and then head out to catch the school bus. At school, my day is filled with learning new things. We start with morning assembly, where we sing songs and listen to important announcements. Then we go to our classrooms. My favorite subjects are math and science, but I also enjoy art and music class. During the lessons, I pay attention to the teacher, participate in class discussions, and do my best on assignments. After school ends, I take the bus back home. When I get home, the first thing I do is change out my school uniform and have a snack. Then I sit down to do my homework. My parents always encourage me to finish my homework before I start playing or watching television, so I make sure to get it done. Sometimes, if I find a subject difficult, I ask my parents or an older sibling for help, and they explain it to me. Once my homework is done, I have some free time. I like to spend this time playing with my toys, reading a book, or sometimes watching my favorite cartoons. If the weather is nice, I might go outside to ride my bike or play with my friends in the neighborhood. I also have some hobbies, like drawing and building things with my construction set, so I spend time on those activities too. In the evening, my family and I have dinner together. We talk about our day, and I like hearing about what my parents and siblings did while I was at school. After dinner, I help clean up the table and then take a shower. Once I clean and in my trousers, I pack my school bag for the next day, making sure I have all my homework and books ready. Before going to bed, I usually read a story or listen to some music to relax. I find that it helps me wind down after a busy day. Sometimes my parents read to me, which is always nice. Finally, at around 9 p.m., I turn off the lights and go to bed. I say goodnight to everyone and snuggle under the covers, ready to rest and recharge for another exciting day ahead. My daily routine helps me stay organized and makes sure I have time for everything that's important to me. So dear friends, like this post, save this post. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share with as many people as possible. Visit YouTube channel IELTS TOEFL English Teacher. May God bless to all of you. Thank you very much again.